Hello guys, today I've got PROTRACK free LB altimeter and I'm going to show you how to pair it with the JumpTrack application. So the first thing that you need to do is to open either App Store or Play Store depending on the device you use. I use iPhone, so I need to open App Store. Here search and search. Now type JumpTrack. As you can see here, I've got LB Altimeter's JumpTrack. Tap it. Tap this get. On your Android phone, you'll just tap install. Here I need to tap get and then authorize myself using the Face ID, Apple ID, password, or the Touch ID, depending on the device I use. So if I use for example, an iPad, I'll need to authorize myself using the Touch ID. Here now I'm authorized and I can tap save here to not to authorize myself further, and I need to wait until the application will finish downloading. Here open, and now we need to enter pairing mode on our altimeter. How to do that? Make sure that this is turned on. Now hold this button over here for 2 seconds. Here you should see this Bluetooth icon. Higher pitch means Bluetooth enabled, lower pitch means Bluetooth disabled. Here tap next, next, next. Continue. And here we need to tap get started. Of course, we need to agree to every single thing that is here. Now we can log in. I will log in with Google. Here I may select the account. Continue. Of course, you can log in or create the account using Apple, Facebook, or just create using your mail. Here we've got notifications. I will tap don't allow. Here, yes, I would like to connect the altimeter. Here I need to tap allow, and now it's available right here. It's the same actually on both iPhones and Android phones, so yeah. Here we've got device information, and now this is current date, this is current time. We need to here set up the measure units, distance measure units, and jump count. Then we can tap next. And now we are connected to our altimeter. That's it. Goodbye.